Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y22S, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so obviously it's open already for me. But once you have your content prepared, simply press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this flash and a pop-up and two options, share and a long screenshot. Long screenshot will allow you to capture a longer version of the screenshot as long as the content can be scrolled down. So as an example, settings would be one of this content. As you can see, you can scroll it down. So I would be able to capture a long version of the screenshot right here. Now, once you have captured your screenshot, as you've seen, it automatically just kind of disappeared from the screen, so you can find it in your Photos application, or albums as it's called right here. And you can see it in all photos, as well as screenshots. And you can view it right over here. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.